Asyncio tasks can be cancelled at any await point, leaving shared state half corrupted. The most reliable defense is try/finally. Because cancelled error is raised as an exception, finally blocks always execute, even during cancellation. This lets you release resources, close connections, and restore state to a consistent point. Pair this with a context manager and you get automatic cleanup regardless of whether the task completes, fails, or gets cancelled. Sometimes a critical section must not be interrupted, like committing a database write. asyncio.Shield wraps a coroutine so the inner operation completes even when the enclosing task is cancelled. The outer task receives its cancelled error, but the shielded work finishes cleanly. Use this sparingly. Shielded operations cannot be stopped once started. When handling cancellation manually, catch asyncio.CancelledError explicitly. It is a base exception, not a regular exception. Do your cleanup, then always re-raise it. Swallowing cancelled error breaks the cancellation protocol and can cause tasks to hang indefinitely. Finally, protect shared state with asyncio.Lock. In asyncio, corruption only occurs at await points, where the event loop can switch between tasks. A lock ensures only one coroutine can modify shared data at a time, preventing interleaved writes even across await boundaries. Combine try/finally, asyncio.Shield proper cancelled error handling and locks to keep shared state safe from cancellation. Practice more at Interview Mentor. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.